So it's like, if we don't have enough stuff going on, I guess we've decided we're building a fire pit today too. So we got the first row leveled, and we are ready to go. So let's do that. And now we have a fire pit, and don't listen to Jeff, it is completely level.
Mostly level.
The Mexican has no clue what's.
I know y'all didn't think we'd leave you hanging, so here is the finished product of the fire pit. Well, it's sort of finished. We came up 1 block short and 1 bag of gravel short, but we're gonna get that tomorrow because I'm freaking tired. So there it is. I'm gonna finish that up while I cut the grass. Isn't our yard so pretty? Isn't it so pretty? And that is week 9 in the books. We are officially on week 10. So at the end of this week, we would have owned this house for 2.5 months, but we are actually going to be moving into the actual house this weekend. So we've got a lot of crap going on, but first off, I wanted to show you guys the finished product of the counters. I wish I had put the light in here, but I have not. So I'm gonna try to use my phone and see if I can't really get this to show up better. But these are the counters. They are all done. We do have to give them a few days before we can set the sink back in them. But they are gorgeous. I mean, they just turned out really good. Even like just the edges, everything just turned out really good. And one of the main things I wanted to show you is, remember that giant seam right here that we had to Bondo? It's gone. It doesn't exist anymore. So yeah, I'm pretty happy about the countertops. I think that's probably my favorite project that we've done here. And not only that, it came out so good, better than I could have expected. So at Stone Coat countertops, if you've got some countertops, you don't have the money to redo them, I would definitely say go with these. Now, one of the steps that we did forget to mention when we did the video of doing it is, after you've got it all poured and spread out, you've got to take a paintbrush and basically just break the surface tension. You don't have to do anything but just dot it. So you break the surface tension. I don't know why that's important, but it is an important step. But, oh, can you see that shine off of that? These things are like mirrors. They're awesome. So we're gonna go ahead and get back to work on the cabinets, because we do have the cabinets painted, but we don't have the cabinet doors painted yet. So we had to put that on hold so we could get the counters done, but we're gonna start working on the cabinet doors again. We have 1 coat of paint on, most of them, and sanded. So we're gonna get the 2nd coat on the backs of them today. And that'll be all we get to today. We've already sanded them, so they're ready to go. We just got to put some paint on them. So let's get to it. Day 2 of week 10. We have 4 days till we move in, so we're trying to get everything done. We got the back sides of the cabinet doors painted yesterday, so today we're going to be working on the front side of the cabinet doors. That will be the 2nd coat on most of the doors, so but 90% of the doors will be done after today. We're not gonna put them back on. We're gonna let them cure for a couple of days, but they'll be ready to go. So, moving along. Let's go. did, however, today get the projector that we ordered. So we got, what is this, for a Dr. J?
I guess so. I can't. It's from Amazon. I can
Amazon
link it.
Dr. J Professional.
Yeah.
And it came with a screen, and we got a sale. It was on sale. We got it for $100, but we figured when we are out on our brand new fire pit, we'll be able to watch. It can connect to the phone, so we can watch movies, we can watch basketball games, football games. So we're going to use it on our porch and on our fire pit. So we're going to check it out and see how it does. We'll let you know in just a second. Okay, we are not going to be able to test this out today because it is not Bluetooth, so we didn't bring stuff to hook our phones to it.
I thought it was Bluetooth,
But it does come with the port, so you can hook it to like the PlayStation, Xbox, and stuff like that. And if we had the right phone, our charger, or the USB-C, we could hook it up to it. But we don't have that right now, so we'll have to check it out tomorrow, or we'll take it home and check it out there. Okay, we're trying to run a test on the projector, but we're still not sure if we have the right thing. But we did get it turned on, so I think if we get it going, it's going to be pretty cool. Oh, there you go. Now you can see it. So, for a reference, this is how big the screen, and I think it'll actually go bigger than this. We just pull it back, but we'll see if we can get something happening here.
Not with this one.
Oh, not with that one.
I'm still working on it.
Maybe, but I mean, there's a little bit of a sample. It's gonna be kind of cool.
Okay.
Okay.
Where's Buddha?
Charlie, go. Hello. Charlie.
Oh, wow.
Charlie, where you at? What the hell?
There we go.
Yeah.
That's cool as
Just
shit.
play anything on it.
All right.
Charlie out here checking out all the rooms.
Oh, we're getting one of those.
Charlie's out there checking out all the rooms.
That's cool as shit.
Where you go now? Hey, man, what are you doing?
Stay. Brad's videotaping it. Look at the dogs.
Yeah, I've been trying to videotape this
Little
for.
choo-choo.
I've been trying to do a demo on this for the last 3 days, so we finally. There we go. There's our projector. There's me. Look how cool I look. And we're on to moving day. Okay, so we're coming up to the end of week 10, and as you can see from the giant mess we have in the house, we are officially moved in. So we are living here, and it is a mess. But right now we're working on one room at a time. So we're going to work on the kitchen. We're putting the cabinet doors back on now. So after we do that, kitchen should be good. So let's do that. Alright guys, so we're coming to the end of the not knowing what we're doing Reno. So it's been 10 weeks. This is the last day of the 10 weeks. We've pretty much done everything that anybody would probably be interested in. Not that a lot of people are watching anyways. We still have a lot of work to do, but we are moved into the house. From here on out, we got to get all of our stuff put away, and then little small things. We will probably video when we do our backsplash, so you guys can follow along with that. That'll probably be going on in a couple weeks. But other than that, we've really just got we didn't get all the hardware on the cabinets yet, but pretty much besides the hardware we'll do tomorrow and the backsplash, the kitchen's almost done. We still have to do trim, door trim, baseboards, things like that, and then we have to touch up some areas that we had to go back to and redo. All in all, we saved a ton of money. It was not fun the entire time. A lot of things were really cool to do, but having to work a full-time job and do this was kind of a pain in the ass. There are a lot of things that we wish we knew before we started. That would have been, for instance, we were just going to wallpaper this cabinet here. As you can see everything in the cabinet. So we're going to have to paint that cabinet. just little things like that. It's just, you know, but it's been fun. The house is beautiful. We love it. I'm going to go ahead and leave you guys with a good shot of how the kitchen is going to look. So you can see the cabinets are awesome and the counters are awesome. Everything goes really good. Our sink is amazing and it does work. Thank you, Jeff. We did get some of the hardware on the drawers. We just haven't gotten the stuff on the cabinet doors yet. So, but we'll keep walking because I did introduce a projector to you guys. So I feel like you do have to see the projector. We are on the back porch tonight, and that is the picture. So yeah, it's been fun. We'll see you guys when we go to do the backsplash. All right, so we're finally putting together the video for week 10, and I realized you guys didn't really get a good shot of the finished kitchen. So I wanted to go ahead and throw this in at the end. We did get all the hardware onto the cabinets. This one we're still redoing, so that'll come back. But we also got recessed lights put in. We have not figured out which light we're gonna put there yet, but this is what it looks like. Oh, still got to do the backsplash, but we also got the LED lights put in the living room, and I'm pretty happy with them. Oh, we still have some lights to fix, but I did get a lot of the doorways up too. So, just update, we did get a lot done the 2 weeks we have lived here. So, there you go.